So today, obviously, I'm not in my kitchen. I am at TD Place in the heart of Ottawa, and I am in front of a massive Christmas tree. Look, way up there. It is humongous. It's so big. So today, we are doing kind of another Ottawa food tour. We're going around and we're checking out vegan delicacies. We're checking out vegan desserts. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be great. Let's get started, because I'm hungry. All right, guys, so we are here at Cinnaholic. I am very excited. You don't understand. I've been here once before. This is so good. It's all vegan. It's all delicious. And I'm gonna go inside. Let's go. All right, guys, so here we are, and I cannot wait to eat this. This looks so good. This is the raspberry cheesecake. Akil, the cameraman, he got Cookie Monster. You can see the cookie dough and the chocolate chips, and it looks insane, insane. So, yeah, just, right? Right? Yes, yes. I mean, come on. Come on. You guys have to come here. You have to. Trust me, you have to. On place number 2. Okay, so we are here at Strawberry Blonde Bakery. I am very excited. There's a lot of good things over there that I want to try out. So I'm gonna stop talking and go order some stuff. So here they are. I'm very excited. I'm gonna try the eggnog first. Oh, and guess what? While I was inside, I also found a cell phone. I guess, you know, people don't want their cell phones anymore. Yeah. Okay. So this is the eggnog cupcake. Oh my God. Oh my life. That's really good. That's really good. Okay, so this is the lemon square. So good, so good. You guys have to try this place out.